Now, while we await that disclosure, our economics correspondent Kim Do-yeon reached out to pundits for their thoughts on Samsung's latest performance and the prospects ahead. To take a listen.
Samsung Electronics' record-breaking first-quarter performance has propelled the company into the global top 5 for tech sector profits, which includes Apple, Microsoft, and Alphabet. With memory chip prices climbing and sales heavily booked following February's rollout of next-generation HBM4 chips, financial experts are revising annual forecasts upward.
We also expect memory semiconductor prices to continue rising significantly in the second quarter, so this year's expected operating profit will likely exceed our previous estimates by a wide margin. We had projected an operating profit of around 240 trillion won, but we now expect it to reach even higher. I can tell you that the valuation merit is quite substantial.
The structural demand for AI infrastructure remains robust. Recently, the emergence of highly efficient software technologies such as TurboQuant sparked market concerns that major memory chip makers like Samsung and SK Hynix might struggle as overall hardware requirements decrease. However, experts note that this efficiency actually accelerates broader market expansion.
To summarize, software technologies that utilize less memory, such as Google's, allow software companies to use less memory while accelerating the growth of their inference business. This has the effect of allowing more companies to enter the market. Consequently, that means even more memory will be needed.
While the demand outlook remains exceptionally strong, the industry is also closely monitoring external geopolitical risks. However, Middle East tensions currently pose minimal threat to immediate operations despite the sector's reliance on regional materials like helium and LNG. Domestic chip makers have secured a 6-month stockpile, meaning broader macroeconomic fallout would be a much greater concern than chip production if Operation Epic Fury prolongs.
If the situation prolongs, semiconductor production itself won't be the issue. Rather, all industries that demand semiconductors will experience considerable difficulties. In that scenario, even if we manufacture the chips, there may be nowhere to sell them.
Furthermore, the weakened Korean won against the US dollar continues to bolster Samsung's earnings, providing a highly favorable environment for major exporters. With this currency trend expected to persist, the company's profitability is positioned for further growth. Kim Do-yeon, Arirang News.